Hi everyone! For today's topic, pag-usapan naman natin ang VIP program ni Medicard. Under VIP program ni Medicard, meron tayong 4 room types categories na pwedeng pamilian. First is the regular private with 200,000 maximum benefit limit. The second is our regular private with 250,000 maximum benefit limit. Third is our large private with 300,000 maximum benefit limit. And the last is our suite with 500,000 maximum benefit limit. And ang ibig sabihin po ng maximum benefit limit ay ito po ang coverage per illness per year. For example, nagpa-check up ka, nagpa-laboratories or even confinement. So, dyan po papasok yung limit ng ating coverage. All room types category under VIP program ni Medicard ay mayroong access sa 5 major hospitals. At the same time, kapag tayo po ay 41 to 65 years old, hindi na po natin kailangan mag-undergo ng medical examination sa ating application. Ilan sa mga exclusive benefits under VIP program ni Medicard ay meron tayong annual executive check-up, dental coverage, and meron tayong outpatient medicine reimbursement. Meron din tayong additional benefits like Diamond Feel, yoga classes, meron din tayong access sa Medicard Lifestyle Center. Ilan lamang ito sa mga exclusive benefits na pwede mong makuha once you avail our Medicard VIP program. And if you have more questions and concerns, inquiries, feel free to message me. Tutulungan kita. Ingat!